Most developers only use div and span, but HTML5 has some hidden gems you probably never use. Let me show you 5 underrated tags. Number 1. Data list. It gives you autocomplete suggestions in an input field. No JavaScript needed. Number 2. Progress. Want a loading a bar? Just add this tag and boom, progress tracking in one line. Number 3. Details and summary. They create a drop-down section instantly, perfect for hidden text. Number 4. Meta. Use it for ratings, score and measurements. Super useful for dashboards. Number 5. Time. It makes your dates machine readable, which is great for SEO and events. So, which of these tags did you not know about? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more quick HTML5 tricks.